Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 1.7, Problem 26. This is Section 1.7, Problem 26. It says find 88 divided by 14. So, if you have a calculator available, the way you would want to enter it is 88 divided by 14 equals, and the calculator will tell you the answer right away. Now, if you don't have a calculator, the way you need to do this is, right, 14 goes into 88 how many times? So, the 14 won't fit into 1/8 by itself. You have to put it in all at once. 14 will fit into 88. How many times? So 8's going to be too big. Even 7, I'd have 70 and another 28. Too big. 6 seems good. So there could be a little bit of trial and error in this process. So I feel good about 6. So I want to now multiply 6 times 14. 6 times 4 is 24. So I put the 4 from the 24 into the 8. I take the 2 from the 24, carry it to the top of the next digit over to the left. So now I'll do 6 times 1 and add the 2 that I carried. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 plus the 2 more that I carried is 8. 6 and 2 is 8. So that gets it pretty close. I get 84. Now if I subtract 88 minus 84, I get 4, which is a good answer. It's less than the 14. And there is no more next digit to the right, so that's as far as it goes. So the 4 is the remainder. So the answer is 6. I put a capital R for remainder, and then 4. The answer is 6 with a remainder of 4.